Hello, my beautiful people. You are welcome back. You are welcome back. I love you all. I love you all the old subscribers and the new ones. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, we are going to be doing special delicacy. Oh, that is Ekpang Nkukwo. So, like this video, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. Subscribe so that you will not miss any of this delicacy. Thank you. Yeah, my people, making this Ekpang Nkukwo. These are the recipes. We have here cocoyam. We have our cocoyam here. Then this is water yam. This look different from yam. So this is water yam. So you have to mix it together to have a very good Ekpang Nkukwo. So this is what we use to make the Ekpang Nkukwo. I'm going to peel it, then wash it and grate it before wrapping it. Thank you. Adding crayfish, adding onions, adding seasoning cubes, adding fish, salt, pepper, chicken, adding my chicken, wow. So I'll cover it to cook.
Okay, tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah, no, no. Ekpang Nkukwo.